Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer TRX from your Coinbase wallet to Crypto.com in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will help you move your Tron tokens safely and efficiently. Why do this? Well, Crypto.com offers great earning opportunities and rewards, so transferring your assets can maximize your crypto potential. Let's jump right in. First things first. Make sure you have the Coinbase Wallet app installed on your phone or you're logged into the web version. Open it up and navigate to your TRX holdings. Double-check your balance to ensure you have enough TRX for the transfer, remembering to account for any network fees. Next, find the Send or Withdraw option, usually located in the wallet dashboard. Tap on it and select TRX as the cryptocurrency you want to send. Now, here's the crucial part. Head over to your Crypto.com app or website. Go to your wallet section, select TRX, and copy the deposit address. This address is unique, so don't mix it up with any other crypto. Back in Coinbase, paste that Crypto.com address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of TRX you want to transfer and review all the details carefully. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so triple-check everything to avoid costly mistakes. Once you're confident, hit the Confirm button. You'll likely need to verify this with your authentication method, like a PIN or biometric scan. After initiating the transfer, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the TRX to appear in your Crypto.com account, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on the transaction status using blockchain explorers like Tron Scan. A few quick tips. Always use the Tron network for TRX transfers to keep fees low. Be aware of any minimum transfer amounts on both platforms, and never share your private keys or wallet details. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. There you have it. Transferring TRX is easier than you think. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and happy trading. See you next time.